1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's been a couple of months since my surgery, and my body is doing so much better. I'm no longer on insulin because my diabetes is getting under control. And I'm seeing quite a few changes in my body. My blood pressure is good. My legs are shrinking. The skin is sagging in certain areas. And my lymphedema mass has gotten smaller, which should mean I'm losing more weight. So I'm really excited that I'm making such good progress. I've been staying as active as I can, but I have to do my exercises from my bed because I still can't get up. Right before my weight loss surgery, I made it to the edge of my bed and sat up for the first time in years. And I'm still working on trying to get out of this bed, but I haven't been able to. My husband, Derek, has been on dialysis for years, but now he has to do more dialysis treatments every day because his kidneys are getting worse. So I'm on my own a lot, and my biggest frustration is just that I'm still in this bed. But Derek still has to do everything for me and take care of me.
Being on dialysis, it's been rough. I really don't get a chance to get me some rest until after I do all of that and get her settled for the night.
Even when he's home, Derek can't really help me get up out of bed because I'm still too heavy for him to be trying to help balance me and things of that nature. So I have to lose more weight. So that's what I'm focusing on doing.